In this Canva tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the text color. Now, once you have your text on your canvas like this, we want to click onto the text, come up to here where it says A and text color. We want to click on here, and now from here we can actually change the color to what we want. If you have a brand kit colors just here, you could choose from them. We can choose from the default colors down here as well, and we can also choose the color by the hex code. If we click on this little plus button just here, we also have the option to play around with the colors. We can drag to find a specific color. We can also do that on here as well. Let's go to yellow. Let's move this up. We can copy and paste a hex code into here, or we can also use the eyedropper color picker here on Canva. So if we click on there, and if we had an image here on Canva, we could then choose that color. Let's go up to the top to here. Let's click on there, and now we have that color as well. Now we can also just choose certain parts of the text. So if we come back onto our text box, highlight part of the text, then if we choose a certain color, it's going to change that part. So that's how to change text color here in Canva. Now for more bite-sized tutorials just like this, then click right here and watch this playlist.